Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you about the MCQ on forms of market part 1. So let's begin. The first question is, what is a characteristic of the market? D, all of these including option A, B and C. Which is a basic for the classification of the market? All of the above, option D. Which of the following is a feature of perfect competition? D, all of the above. In which market product differentiation is found? Monopoly, that is option C. Next, which of the following is true in perfect competition? D, all of the above. Which one is a feature of monopoly? D, all of the above. Which of the following is true for monopoly? Option D again, all of the above. Next, which of the feature of monopolistic competition? D, all of the above. A market is where there is free entry and free exit. The market is known as perfectly competitive market, option C. What does a monopolist market show? Option C, nature of the market. Price discrimination is found in which market? Monopoly, option C. Which of the following is the feature of pure competition? Option D, all of the above. Market situation where there is only one buyer is called monopsony, that is option B. The concept of monopolistic competition is given by Chamberlain, option B. Which of the following is not a feature of perfect competition? Option C, advertisement and selling cost. In which market is AR equals to MR? Perfect competition, option A. Which factor determines equilibrium price? C, both A and B. Prices determine demand and supply. Whose statement is this? Marshall, option C. Price of a commodity is determined at a point where demand equals supply, that is option C. What is the true perfect competition market? D, all of the above. Which of the following is not the feature of an imperfect competition? Homogeneous products, that is option C. A monopolist is a price. D, maker. The firm and the industry are one and the same in monopoly, that is option B. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of imperfect competition? B, all the products are homogeneous. Market which has two firms is known as duopoly, that is option A. Under which of the following forms of market structure a firm has no control over the price of its product? That is perfect competition, option B. Oligopoly having identical product is known as pure oligopoly, option A. Price discrimination can take place only in D, monopoly. Which market have characteristic of product differentiation? Monopolistic competition, that is option A. Under monopoly form of market, TR is maximum when MR is 0. The price of goods is in perfect competition is determined by demand and supply, option D. In perfect competition, a firm obtains price, that is option B. In very short period, supply will be perfectly inelastic, option B. Which is not a condition for equilibrium for a monopoly firm? Average revenue equals to margin cost, that is option A. In perfect competition, these is dash profit. What is normal profit? Option A. So we are done with all the 35 questions for this part 1. So stay tuned for the part 2, forms of market. So I hope you must have understood the questions. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.